First of all, on behalf of All Japan SHITO Shikokai Karate-Do India, I welcome all the participants, officials, their parents to this first South Asian Karate-Do Championship 2007. I would like to extend my wholehearted thanks to Honorable IG Sahab of Assam Rifles, the other senior officers, additional DTs, colonels, and there are so many people I am watching. They are very much supportive. So only, I think, due to their cooperation, their support, we are able to conduct this tournament very successfully. Once again, I would like to extend my wholehearted thanks to the organizers, to the IG, Assam Rifles,